Story Bridge, Brisbane. Not quite so famous as the Sydney Harbour Bridge. And why is it that some things become really popular and really amazing and really famous and some things just don't? That's a pretty cool bridge, the Story Bridge. It's a bit like business. Some businesses do really well and some do okay and some do not so good and some do amazing. So how do you make sure that your business is the Sydney Harbour Bridge, not just the Brisbane Story Bridge? Here's a great idea. Make sure that you are really passionate about your bridge. And if you get really excited about what you do and you are the one that's promoting and marketing and excited about what you do, then people will be attracted to your passion. Remember, passion is pass I on. So if you're excited and passionate about your business, about your bridge, then other people will be too, and that will be no cow poo. Woohoo!